Say goodbye to stomach pain. Best meals for people with gastritis. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Andrew Collins, a doctor here in the United States, and today we're going to talk about a common health issue that doesn't get discussed as much as it should: gastritis. If you've been feeling stomach pain, bloating, or discomfort after eating, gastritis might be the cause. But don't worry. Today I'm going to help you discover some meals that are perfect for people with gastritis, so you can maintain a healthier lifestyle. What is gastritis? Gastritis, also known as inflammation of the stomach lining, is a condition where the protective mucus layer in your stomach gets damaged or infected. When this happens, you may experience pain, bloating, nausea, and even a feeling of constant indigestion. One of the main causes of gastritis is an improper diet. Excessive stress, long-term use of medication, or even an infection with Helicobacter pylori bacteria can also trigger this condition. What symptoms might you experience? The symptoms of gastritis can be pretty uncomfortable: stomach pain, bloating, acid reflux, nausea, and even loss of appetite. These signs can make you feel like your life is being disrupted. But don't worry too much, because the most important thing is that we can manage and treat this condition, especially with the right dietary choices. Why is food selection important for people with gastritis? Diet plays a crucial role in managing gastritis. The reason is that some foods can irritate the stomach lining, making the symptoms worse. That's why, if you have gastritis, choosing the right meals not only helps relieve pain, but also speeds up your recovery. Today, I'd like to share with you some meal options for people with gastritis that I often recommend to my patients. These meals are not only good for your stomach health, but will also help you feel comfortable and energized every day. Dietary tips for people with gastritis. First, remember that when you have gastritis, it's extremely important to avoid spicy, acidic, or highly acidic foods. These can increase irritation and make inflammation worse. Instead, opt for easy-to-digest meals that are gentle on the stomach. Now, I'm going to walk you through some foods you can add to your daily meals. Let's take a look. In addition to choosing the right foods, I also want to share some important tips when you're treating gastritis. One key point is to avoid drinking too many carbonated soft drinks, as they can increase stomach acid, worsening the inflammation. Instead, you should drink plain water or herbal teas like ginger tea or licorice tea, which can soothe the stomach. Additionally, it's a good idea to split your meals throughout the day. Instead of having 3 large meals, try eating 5 smaller ones. This can help reduce the strain on your stomach and make digestion easier. Finally, always remember that everyone's body and health condition are different. If you have any questions about your diet or symptoms related to gastritis, don't hesitate to seek advice from a doctor or nutrition expert. They can help you design a diet that's best suited to your condition. Now let's dive into the meals that are suitable for people with gastritis. When dealing with gastritis, it's important to choose foods that are easy to digest while still providing essential nutrients. Remember, you don't have to eat bland, boring meals. You can still enjoy delicious, gentle meals that are good for your health. 1. Breakfast. Oatmeal and soft fruits. Oatmeal is one of the best meals for people with gastritis. It's easy to digest, non-irritating, and helps soothe the stomach. You can add some bananas or blueberries to enhance the flavor. Bananas are a great option because they're soft and low in acid, making them gentle on your stomach. From my years of experience working with patients, I've found that people with gastritis love oatmeal. It's not only easy to eat, but also provides enough fiber to keep the digestive system running smoothly. 2. Lunch. Boiled chicken and roasted sweet potatoes. A simple yet nourishing lunch could be boiled chicken with roasted sweet potatoes. Chicken is a mild protein source that won't irritate the stomach. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A and fiber, which help soothe the stomach and are easy to digest. Additionally, roasted sweet potatoes are low in acid, so they won't harm the inflamed stomach lining. When treating gastritis, we always look for nutrient-dense yet easy-to-digest foods. This meal is perfect. It's light, but provides enough energy for the day. 3. Dinner. Grilled salmon and spinach. Salmon is an excellent choice because it's high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for the body. Omega-3 helps reduce inflammation and is also good for heart health. Spinach, which is rich in iron and vitamin C, helps strengthen the immune system and soothes the stomach. When preparing salmon and spinach, you can simply grill the fish without using too many spices to avoid irritating the stomach. 4. Snack. Unsweetened yogurt with chia seeds. Unsweetened yogurt is an excellent source of probiotics, which support digestion and help balance the bacteria in the stomach. Adding chia seeds to the yogurt will boost its fiber and omega-3 content, while also helping you feel fuller for longer. This is a perfect snack for people with gastritis that still ensures nutritional value. We all know that good habits are essential for our overall health, including the health of our stomach. So, in addition to the right meals, certain lifestyle habits can significantly contribute to your stomach's recovery and help reduce gastritis symptoms. 1. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly. When eating, remember to chew your food well and eat slowly. This helps your digestive system work more efficiently and can make you feel full for longer. If you rush through meals, your stomach will have to process larger amounts of food in a short period, which can stress the stomach and worsen inflammation symptoms. 2. Avoid eating late at night and lying down. Immediately after meals. One of the worst habits for people with gastritis is eating late at night. When you eat just before bed, your stomach has to work throughout the night, which can cause bloating, indigestion, and even acid reflux. Try to have dinner at least 2-3 hours before going to bed to give your stomach time to digest. 3. Drink plenty of water, but avoid carbonated drinks. Yes, water is crucial. However, avoid carbonated drinks as they can increase stomach acid and cause discomfort. Plain water or gentle herbal teas like ginger or chamomile tea are excellent options to keep your body hydrated without irritating your stomach. 4. Limit processed foods and spicy foods. Processed foods or spicy foods can damage the stomach lining, stimulate acid production, and make you feel more pain. Foods like fried dishes, fast food, and spices such as chili, garlic, or raw onions should be minimized in the diet of someone with gastritis. 5. Use probiotic-rich foods. Probiotic-rich foods like unsweetened yogurt, kimchi, or pickled vegetables are excellent for your gut's microbiome. These beneficial bacteria help improve gut health and balance digestion. Including probiotics in your diet is a great way to keep your stomach healthy and reduce inflammation. Sharing a real-life story from my experience. One of my patients, John, had been suffering from chronic gastritis for many years. He had tried many treatments, but his condition hadn't improved significantly. After I guided him to change his diet, reduce stress, and focus on easy-to-digest foods, he started noticing a difference. Within a few weeks, his symptoms were significantly reduced. He felt more comfortable eating and no longer experienced stomach pain after meals. This shows that stomach health can definitely improve when we take the right steps to care for it. Sharing more about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. In addition to a balanced diet, there are several other factors that can significantly affect our stomach health, and I'd like to share more about these. Even if you follow a healthy diet, maintaining a well-rounded, stress-free lifestyle is just as important. For example, practicing mindfulness and engaging in regular exercise can help reduce the stress that often contributes to gastritis flare-ups. But if you don't have a healthy lifestyle, your gastritis may not improve. 1. Reduce stress. This is really important. Stress is one of the factors that makes the stomach more sensitive, and gastritis tends to worsen when we face anxiety and tension. I understand that in modern life we can't avoid stress, but what's important is learning how to manage it. You can try meditation, yoga, or simply taking a walk outside to relax your mind and reduce stress. These relaxation methods not only help lower stress levels, but also improve blood circulation and support digestion. This is a crucial part of treating gastritis that many people overlook. 2. Get enough sleep and rest. When you sleep, your body has the chance to recover and heal itself. If you have gastritis, having a quality sleep is essential to help your stomach recover and reduce inflammation. I always encourage my patients to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and avoid staying up too late. If you struggle with insomnia or have a late-night routine, try adjusting your sleeping habits to allow your body to recover better. 3. Listen to your body. Finally, I want to emphasize something extremely important. Listen to your body. Every person has a different body and health condition. One food may be fine for one person, but not suitable for another. If you notice that a certain food causes discomfort to your stomach, avoid it. This will help you prevent unwanted symptoms and make you feel more comfortable. When treating gastritis, always remember that this process can take time. Each person will recover at a different pace, and what's important is being persistent and maintaining a healthy diet. You might not see results immediately, but as long as you're patient and take good care of yourself, you will notice a significant difference. When dealing with gastritis, your diet is the key to improving stomach health and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. The meals I've shared in this video not only help soothe the stomach, but also provide essential nutrients for the body. Combined with healthy habits like reducing stress, getting enough sleep, and listening to your body, you'll recover faster and live a healthier life. Keep maintaining health awareness in every food choice and daily habit. Don't forget that stomach health is not only important during treatment, but also in maintaining a life full of energy and happiness. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Leave any questions or share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and am always ready to help. Wishing you all good health, happiness, and don't forget to take care of your stomach.